Hey everyone, it is late at night and I am Norman. Ross Gallin, who sent me the Towson watch, asked me if I wanted to review another watch upon returning the Towson watch, and of course I said yes. And just a bit ago, this arrived. So let's see what's in it. So this is an Epos watch, and I have never heard of Epos before. As you can see, it did not arrive in a watch box, but here in a padded envelope. And encased in this, it does have hang tags. Check that out. It is all black, which is pretty cool. It's been a while since I've had a PVD watch in my possession. I used to own a Citizen chronograph. It was like a military chronograph that had a PVD case on it. But really, that's the last time I've had an all-black watch. So I'm super excited about this. Yeah, this thing is pretty cool. It's skeletonized. I like the brass wheel in there. It reminds me of a Swatch. So it's like half serious and half fun. Let's do a quick wrist shot of this. Man, this strap is super stiff. It's like squeezing the sides of my arm there, because it just doesn't even want to bend. Man, that is cool. It's like a big black hole on my wrist. That is awesome. Man, thanks so much to Ross Gallin for sending this to me. I'll be doing a full review of it here in the coming weeks, so keep your eyes open for that. That is crazy. Epos, eh? Nice.